Morning, Mom. Yes, I'm still in bed. Mom, I'm still in bed. Mom, remember, we're still coming to see you today. I am bringing your beautiful daughter-in-law to you today. My God. Mom, it's just 5 o'clock. 5 a.m. in the morning, Mom. Please, Mom. I need to go back to bed, please. And now, I'm a one man no more now. Don't worry, she's very beautiful. Don't worry. Mama, I love you. Let me just sleep a little bit more. Yeah, Mama.
No. Baba character no, hold on, not coming. Hold on. So for me, no bad Sherry. John, I'm curious.
Oh yes, Mom. She's very pretty.
Yeah.
And like I said earlier, yes, Mom, I've packed all my stuff.
Okay. Yeah.
And I also got you a very beautiful wristwatch.
Are you serious? That's good.
Mama Yemi wala eti npo ju. Wala npo. No, Mom. She's not here with me yet. I have to go to her house to pick her up first. Okay? Okay, Mom. I need to drive now. I have to go. I gotta go. I need to drive. I'll see you in the next few hours. I love you, baby girl. Don't worry, Mumbo.
Bisi, must I have this? Oh.
See, babe, is it that your mommy does not realize you're married? Tell her to leave us alone.
Bisi, it's my mom you're talking about here, you know?
So for because you're going to lay more, she should stop.
Bisi, enjoy. It's all your fault. You hardly cook. Oh, I want to play.
Promise, boy.
Yeah, good morning, Mom. I'm fine, and you? Ami. Okay, what time today? Oh, okay, no problem, Mom. I'll be at what's on intimo bashuton. Yeah, I'll make sure. Alright, Mom. Love you too. I want to chat into Okay, Mom, yeah. I take care, Mama, you mean? Oh, wow.
Guy, call your mom back and tell her you're not coming today.
Honey. Babes, my brother is arriving with his fiancée today.
So freaking what?
It's been 6 months I last saw him.
I don't care.
Okay, why don't you come with me then?
Yeah. Okay, well, what will show you? And by me keep brother me, so we come and miss me. Babe, taking paper. All right, yeah, be sure. Right.
Hello, Dotman. D, Mr. D. What's up, bro? Shalafiani. Moti wà lọ́nà. Mo lọ sọ́dọ̀ mom. And now, as promised. But wait, please. Good. I want to pay me. Jẹ́ kí n sáré down call. Hey, Mom. Yeah, mo ti ń bọ̀. Mo ti gbé, a ti wà lọ́nà ọ̀dọ̀ yín. Mommy, and now, Mommy, ẹ má bínú, mo ti ń drive o. Ṣé pé mo ń drive mo ṣe bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. And Dọ̀tún wà lórí line. Dọ̀tún ni mo bá sọ̀rọ̀ kí n tó pick call yín. Ẹ ṣáà máa rí pé ó ń ṣe call waiting. Màá bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ láìpẹ́. Mommy, màá dọ́dọ̀ yín láìpẹ́. Mi mọye hours tó máa take me, but màá dọ́dọ̀ yín láìpẹ́, okay? Mommy, I love you. Goodbye, Mommy. Goodbye. Mr. D. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni, o ní láti bá màmá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀. Tó bá ti ń fẹ́ nǹkan báyìí, wọ́n máa fẹ́ ní kólekóle kíákíá. Ṣé lè imagine pa ọ̀nà jí mi láàárọ̀ very early like 5 a.m. in the morning. Lórí pé mú yàwó wálé mo ń bọ̀ wálé. Ìgbà náà mo kúrò ní lọ́dọ̀ wọn náà. I've just been gone for like 6 months. And she's been on my neck. Wálé o, mú yàwó wálé o. Anyway, mi náà ti ń lọ ilé ṣá. Màá rí ẹ ń bẹ̀ lẹ́ni náà ni màá dé láìpẹ́. Why? Oh, wá. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Okay then. Ìyàwó ẹ̀ ńkọ́? Ìyàwó ẹ̀ ìjẹ̀gbọ̀n ṣe nìkan fà aya Dọ̀tún. Bámi kí, I'll see you guys soon, okay? Àti ṣe lè tán.
Hello, ọkọ mi. Pẹ̀lẹ́ rẹ̀. Níbo ni wọ́n wà, oúnjẹ ti ready. Láti bí ìṣẹ́jú mélòó kan mi tí rí bá sọ̀rọ̀. A ṣe sọ̀rọ̀. O ti mọ̀ network Nàìjíríà. Ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé bátìrì ẹ̀ kó má ti jẹ́ kó ní fast battery. Tàbí kóun àti ìyàwó ẹ̀ pàápàá tún ti ya bì kan. Dọ̀tún, mo wà kitchen tẹ́lẹ̀ ni. Ṣé hold on, máa gbé ẹ padà mú láwọn àlejò. Okay, ọkọ mi.
Good afternoon, ma. We are from Area Police Station, ma.
Sorry?
Area Police Station.
And how may I help you?
Do you know any Mr. Yemi Hadiwale?
Yemi is my son. Is there any problem?
There is a car in our custody registered with this home address belonging to one Mr. Yemi Hadiwale.
What's my son's car doing in your custody? And wait a minute, where's my son?
Your son is involved in a fatal auto accident.
My goodness. Is he alive?
We hope so.
What about his fiancé?
They were both rushed to the hospital, ma'am.
Hospital will know what?
Air Classic Hospital, ma'am.
Uncle Yemi, hospital care. Air class. Oh, okay. Hold on. Sorry, go back. Sorry, go back. Hold on for me. I need to go back for me. Doctor, kò yé mi. Mo dé ward ọmọ mi rí lórí bed. Kí ló tẹ move ẹ̀ sí ward mi? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Mo fẹ́ kí n mọ̀ pé ewé kan ní jábọ́ lára igi kí Olúwa má mọ̀ sí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni kò sí nǹkan tó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ayé yìí kí Ọlọ́run má náwó sí. Mo fẹ́ kí gbà pé àmúwá Ọlọ́run lélẹ́yìn. Àwa gbìyànjú tiwa gẹ́gẹ́ bí èèyàn. A gbìyànjú títí ṣùgbọ́n.
Edeji, what you are about to say, please don't say it.
We tried our best, but we lost your son now.
You lost who? Yes, my son.
We're sorry, Mom. We tried our best.
Olayemi Okpodoku, please do everything humanly possible to revive him.
We tried our best. I'm sorry.
Doctor.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Yeah! Finished. I need you. I'm finished. I'm finished. We have an unfinished business. Listen, my son just won contract worth over 100 million naira. See, I was actually waiting for him to get to me this morning. Can I share good news here? Please revive it, please.
Ma'am, I understand how you feel.
Finished.
I understand how you feel, Ma'am.
I'm finished. I'm finished. No! 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 No!
I understand how you feel. I understand
No,
how you feel.
You don't. Have you ever lost a child?
Lonely Gemma.
Yeah. So you can't know I'm feeling.
No.
I'm finished. Motito. Olayemi demi
Emma, I don't know if... Ma, can I take you to see the other victim?
Other victim?
Yes. We have a lady, but she's responding to treatment right now.
Jerusalem tọrùn, orin mi ìlú mi, ilé mi tí máa kú, ẹkún ìbùkún mi, ibi ayọ̀, nígbà wo lèmi ò rojú rẹ, Ọlọ́run mi. Ó wá di gbére, ó dárìnà kú. Ó wá di gbére, Ọláyẹmí, ó dárìnà kú. Ọláyẹmí o, sinmi láyà Jésù. Ó wá di gbére, ó dárìnà kú. Dọ̀tún ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀dá. kí ni mo ṣe fọ́láyẹmí tó fi já mi sí kólóbó. Ọ̀nà mi ò jẹ́ kí n jèrè mú. I labored over my children, just I suffered.
I take in all other family members, can kill the and keep them informed, let them know what's happening. But please, Mommy, promise me you'll cry again.
Ọláyẹmí ò ṣe ká. Ọláyẹmí ò ṣe ká o. Ọmọ mi ò kí wọ́n wà kú wa, kó dẹ̀ kí sá erékeré. Sátánì kí ni mo gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀? Kí ló dé tó wá ibòmí yà sí? Kí ló dé tó jẹ́ kábí àmọ́ jèrè ọmọ?
Hello.
Ikú dúró.
Hello, sir.
Ikú dúró.
Hello. Dr. Lonso, sir. Hello. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello. Jọ ọmọbìnrin tí òun àti Yẹmi jọ ń bọ̀ nǹkan fiancé.
She was hospital, but some person be cover.
What's that recover? Kill good. But family member kankan tí contact her.
No.
Ṣé phone ẹ wà lọ́wọ́ yín? Phone ẹ wà lọ́wọ́ yín right?
Mi ò mọ̀.
Okay. Tó wá dé máa fi kọjá yín sí ní
Ayé
worried.
yìí kì í ṣe ilé wa o. Aráyé ọjà làwa ná. A ó padà sílé o. Lẹ́yìn ọjà.
You're absolutely right. I am dead worried. You know it's been 6 days since I heard from her.
Dear, where did she tell you she was going when she called?
I'm so fine now. I'm so fine because it's all. She said she was going to call me right back.
And have you checked with her uncle?
They say they've not heard from her neither.
Dear, I think we need to report to the police. We need to inform the police.
I've been thinking about that too since yesterday.
Where I can be alone soon.
Oh, very good. Well, checking sorry lo change that shop. Me that shit.
No, kò ní jẹ́ ká burú àbúrò.
Jai, I am in jail.
Dear, kì í ṣọmọdé mọ́.
Mi ò dẹ̀ gba nọ́mbà bọ̀bọ̀ tó wà wálé 2 weeks ago.
Bàbá wo ló wà wálé?
Ọlọ́run, àdúrà tí mo máa ń gbà ní kí n má fojú sunkún ọmọ. Ọlọ́run, kí lè ṣe mí gangan tó fi wá dá mi lóró? Kò bá má jẹ́ mi ló ṣerú eléyìí fún. Ọláyẹmí àrídùnnú ọmọ. Kí ló dé tó fi dá mi lóró? Ó bá wọn láfẹ́ tó wà láàrin wa kó dúró kí n ṣíwájú ẹ̀ kú. How am I going to get through each day without you? Ọ̀rẹ́ wa dàbí ejò tó kọjá lórí àpáta tí ò nípa. You were my favorite son. Love you beyond words. God, please let the spirit rest in peace. Glad I was able to hear your beautiful voice on that fateful morning. Didn't know you meant it when you said goodbye, Mom. máa ṣe o. Àṣé òtítọ́ ni pé ẹni ọmọ sin ló bímọ. Mo gbàdúrà fún gbogbo abiyamọ. Olúọmọ wa ò ní fi wá sílẹ̀ sáyé lọ́wọ́. Ọláyẹmí, wherever you are, just keep resting in the bosom of your Creator. Máa sùn ọkọ mi. I'll continue to love you till the end of time. Ọláyẹmí mi. Ikú máa dúró. Ikú ò máa ṣíká o. Gbogbo òbí ló máa ń gbàdúrà pé káwọn má mọ bójú ọmọ. Báwo ni tèmi ṣe rí?
Mami, Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ká rere lè mọ́ nínú fámìlì wa. Gbogbo nǹkan tó dẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ ó yé Ọlọ́run. So please stop crying.
Mommy, it's okay. It's okay. I want to believe he's in a better place now. Ara burúkú ni ẹ Fábíàmọ́. Ara wa burúkú pátápátá gbáà ni.
It's okay, Mom.
Ọláyẹmí.
It's okay, Mom. Mom, àwọn ọkọ wa sí wọn sálẹ̀ ṣé kí ní come up lókè.
Ask them to go. I don't want to see anybody. That's what's left to talk about. Nothing. My son is dead. End of story. Nikomalo.
Honey. Jọ bá mi attend sí àwọn visitors tó wá sálẹ̀.
Hey baby, you take a jollo. Because I don't even know what to start telling them now.
Don't be like this. Don't be like this. You don't have to stay with Mom. I can't leave her all by herself.
Just go. Please. Both of you should go attend to them. Please, just go. I want to be left alone, please.
Mom, are you sure?
Mama! Please. Mama. I need your attention. I want to be left alone, please. Just go.
Are you sure about this?
Go! I want to be left alone. So, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Go attend to them.
Mommy.
Yes? Daddy.
Uncle Yemi.
Dear mother, you seem so upset today, and I know the reason. But I hope you will find a place in your heart and close the chapter. Mom, today marks the horrific event, 25th of March. I know I was to blame for what happened on that fateful day, but I never meant it to happen. But please, find a place in your heart and forgive me. I'm sorry for always blaming you. It was my fault. I should have been more responsible. Ẹ̀bi mi ni o. Ẹ̀bi tó jẹ̀bi tèmi. Títí tó fi jáde láyé lójijì, orí ẹni mò ń dálé.
Mommy, ẹ má sunkún mọ́ ma.
Àti kékeré l'Ọláyẹmí ti máa ń keep diary. Ó yẹ kí n mọ̀ wípé definitely he will leave one behind for me.
Mommy, it's okay. A ò ní rírẹ́ mọ́ láyé lábẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ náà. Sorry ma.
Rọ́mọkẹ́, clean gbogbo yàrá yìí dáadáa.
Okay ma.
Jẹ́ kí n lọ fara nílẹ̀. But make sure pé jí mi títí aago 4. Mo fẹ́ lọ gbé jáde Sọ́lá wálé.
Mommy, ẹ ṣe jẹ́ kí Uncle Dọ̀tun lọ gbé wọn wá.
Mi sọ fún Dọ̀tun pé bí ló máa dé sí. Mo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa pè láti jẹ́ kó mọ̀ ni.
Okay ma. Mommy, má sunkún mọ́ ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ ma.
My dear, welcome home. Wasiu. Gbé bá jáde lọ sí yàrá Yẹmí.
Okay. Ẹ káàbọ̀.
Yes, sir.
Jáde. Ilé ẹ̀ lọ ti dé ilé. And I welcome you home.
Yes, ma'am.
Later tó bá ti rest dáadáa. Èmi or the maid, I'm go round. But I may not do that. Only John will machine.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sure you understand.
Very well.
Ẹgbẹ́ yẹn, ṣe bẹ́ apá bí ní àbí? Alpha.
Kò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ tún púpọ̀ mà. Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome there. Welcome. Báwo ṣé wà ní ìṣòlókè? Yeah, after you.
Yes, ma'am.
I want you to tell me what happened on that fateful day.
Nǹkan tí mo rántí ni wípé ìgbà tó ń drive ó kàn lose control and that was it. Mi ò really mọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ́. But mo rántí wípé he was trying to protect me.
It wasn't me that called, was it?
No.
Was it his brother that called?
I don't think so. But in your kan ló pé wọ́n jọ ń sọ̀rọ̀ lórí phone.
So unfortunate. The police couldn't retrieve his phone from the accident scene. Kò jẹ́ kí n make findings me to know which call it was actually.
Bóyá àwọn passerby tó wá help wa, bóyá àwọn lọ́mọ, because mi ò rí phone títí mi.
Yeah. Actually, àwọn ọlọ́pàá náà gbé handbag fún mi. Èmi fi tọ́jú ẹ̀ fún ẹ. But wọ́n sọ fún mi pé fóònù ẹ wà níbẹ̀. Jáde. Please, I want you to tell me the truth.
What's that, man?
What did he tell you about me? I'm sure he must tell you the kind of woman his mother is. What sort of a mother did he tell you?
He adored you the most. You were his everything.
That's not true. I doubt it. Because I didn't really give him the affection he needed. I was always avoiding him.
But why? What for?
You get to know about that later. It's a story for another day.
Okay, ma.
Till date, I've not been able to reach any member of your family because I don't have their contact details.
Ọmọ orúkọ ni mí mà. Nínú ìtàn tí wọ́n sọ fún mi, wọ́n ní pé ọjọ́ tí mom sí mi ń bí mi, wọ́n ṣe cesarean fún wọn. So, ìgbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ wá gbé mi jáde nínú wọn ni wọ́n wá kú.
Oh gosh. Sorry about that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Daddy wa ńkọ́?
Daddy mi ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kú ní bí 7 months ago.
My condolences on both sides. What about your siblings? Àwọn iwájú àbí àbúrò?
Mi ò ní níwájú, mi ò ní lẹ́yìn. Èmi nìkan ṣe àwọn parents mi bí.
Sorry about that. Jáde.
Ma.
O kì í ṣe wọ nìkan mọ́ nsìn. You have me with you.
Okay.
I made a promise to your fiancé that I would take very, very good care of you. And on that promise, I still stand.
Ṣé kan ma, àwọn ọmọ tí inú wọn wà lánàá ma. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní kábàámọ̀ pé ẹ gbà mí sílé náà. Mọ́mì, tí ẹ fẹ́ wá bẹ̀ yín ní ẹ̀bẹ̀ kan.
Ó ṣe mí.
Mo ti ṣe yìí, kẹ́kẹ́ dáríjì mi. Ẹ má bínú pé mi ò attend funeral Yẹmí.
No, Jáde.
Ma.
It wasn't your fault. Ṣé wọ́n tó jẹ́ wípé gbogbo ẹ̀gùn tí ẹ ti lajú sáyé? But now I'm glad you are back.
Thank you, ma.
Your food is ready. So I'll let you.
Yes, ma. I should come. Yes, ma. Thank you, Heavenly Father. In Jesus' name, I pray. Amen. 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 In Jesus' name. Mommy. Hey, this is Nima.
Daddy.
Ma.
Mo fẹ́ béèrè kọ̀kan lọ́wọ́ ẹ.
Kí ni ma?
That's it.
Yes, ma.
Was my son happy?
Yes, Mom. He was so full of life.
Olayemi. Olayemi was a very good boy. Always ready to assist everyone that comes around him. And he was also a very careful driver.
Yes, I believed you. I just don't know what happened on that day. But Mommy, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàgbé nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀.
Daddy.
Ma.
He owns this necklace. I don't know why I left it behind the day he was traveling. Actually, it was a gift from me to him. I want you to have it.
No, Mom. I can't. You keep it.
Daddy Salah,
Ma.
I have a lot of first memories in this house. And you are part of that memory left behind. I'm glad Yemi left you behind.
And I'm glad to have finally met with you, Ma.
Daddy.
Ma.
Tomorrow we are going for shopping.
Mom, you don't have to, Ma. I'm okay, Ma.
Daddy,
Ma.
I need to change your wardrobe. And you don't tell me what to do. Okay?
Yes, Ma.
Pleasant night.
Yes, Ma. Good night, Ma. Ọ̀rẹ́, bí Ọlọ́run ṣe gbàdúrà mi nìyẹn o.
Kábíyèsí Elédùmarè. What an unbelievable story. Ó túmọ̀ sí pé ibi tí ẹ̀dá bá máa dé láyé kò ní ṣaláì débẹ̀.
One fate destroy one mud house to be replaced with a palace.
Ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí wípé orí a máa jẹ́ kí ilé alámọ̀ owó kó bá lè kọ́ ààfin ńlá.
Ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí wípé Yẹmí ni ilé alámọ̀.
Ó ga ọ́. Kò máa sí ohun tọ́lọ́run lè ṣe. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, ìwọ ló wá dẹni tó ń tọwọ́ bá pò ká 100k fún mi. Hey, wow!
Alright, when I was walking through hell, who was there for me?
Oh, wo, babe, let me tell you. Tí mi ò bá ṣe ń gbà yẹn, Ọlọ́run á gbé lómi dìde tó máa ṣe jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ fún ẹ.
You're right. Bùnmi, tí o bá rí bí wọ́n mi ṣe ń kẹ́ mi lójú, kẹ́ mi nímú. That woman, she's a blessing in disguise.
Jọ, ṣé Yẹmí nìkan ni wọ́n bí ni?
No, Yẹmí ní àbúrò. Even àbúrò ẹ̀ ti marry, Dọ̀tun lórúkọ ẹ̀. Very nice guy.
Oh, babe, I'm so happy for you. Mo máa bẹ́ yọ gan ni o.
Thank you. Tó bá rí ilé wọn, kò yàtọ̀ sí palace. Yẹmí is from a wealthy home, you know. Yes,
ó
sir.
ní pé mansion ni wọ́n gbé nìyẹn.
Bigger than a mansion, babe. Kò sí nǹkan tó dáa tó kí ẹ̀dá ní owó láyé. Ẹ̀dá tó bá ní owó bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wáyé asán ni.
Rí mi, máa gbé ní débi rè.
Àmì o, àtẹ̀mí náà o.
Ìwọ tó yẹ ti gbé débi rè already.
Ọ̀rẹ́, o ní láti wá o.
Before nǹkan, tí wọ́n bá ti mind, why not?
Mind, that woman, never. She's a lovely woman. Kò lè mind.
Okay, let's do it this way. Maybe you pick me up on Friday, right?
Friday, that's a deal.
She drives him nuts.
Mommy, èmi kàn feel pé attention nǹkan ṣe ni Bísí fẹ́. That's just it.
Far from it. Ó mọ̀ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kú. But since it's not by that, I hope I'm not stressing you, ma'am.
Alright, ma'am.
Yeah, have some.
No, I'm okay, ma'am.
You know I wouldn't take no for an answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. I'm taking you out for shopping. I love going out with you. You have a very good taste.
Mommy, she moved there 3 days ago. I'm fine.
If I have the opportunity of taking you out for shopping every second, I will do it. You're the daughter I never had. And I love you so much.
I know, ma'am.
So, I think the next 5-10 minutes,
okay,
we have to change.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go.
Yes, ma'am.
You like her, don't you?
Get over yourself, woman. Have you forgotten she's my late brother's fiancée?
Your late brother is no more. Remember?
Madam, get over yourself. Kí ló fi mí pè gangan náà?
Kí ló máa lọ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ like every day?
Listen to yourself. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi kú kò tí pé 3 months. Do you expect me to leave Momsy just like that? Can you listen to yourself?
Anyways, should I be my son parents in the weekend here?
I'm sorry I can't. Mo fẹ́ lọ ra àwọn Momsy. Mo ní láti ra new washing machine fún wọn.
Dotun, you're pathetic.
Oh yes. But I'm pathetic.
No matter where you are or what you are going through, always believe there is a light at the end of your tunnel. God knows what happened on that fateful day wasn't intentional. And I will make sure I put a smile on your face one day. Olayemi, you did not wait to fulfill your promise. God knows why bad things always happen to good people. Olayemi, you've always tried to cheer me up since that incident. But I guess I really didn't give you enough attention. Olayemi.
You're in love with her, aren't you?
Why do you think so?
I saw the way you looked at her earlier.
That's my late brother's fiancée, you know.
And your brother is no more.
Which makes it more complicated.
Complicated? Are you admitting to me that you like her?
No, I am not admitting. But I am putting it to you that I do not have a feeling for her. Rather, I feel bad for her.
I want you to stop going there alone.
Why?
Because I think she fancies you.
Fancy me? Come on. The poor lady still seems to be grieving my late brother. Why? Really?
Anyway, it's about time your mom allow her to go.
Well, for your information, Mommy is not ready to let her go anytime soon, so get that straight into your thick skull.
Don't speak for your mom, speak for yourself.
Already did.
Coming.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Is this Adewale's resident?
Yes, sure.
My name is Jade Sola Thompson. Girlfriend Yemito Diologbe.
Okay. Hi.
On that fateful day, he was meant to come to my place to pick me up so we could go to Lagos together. I waited several hours. He didn't show up. I picked up my phone to call him to know where he was. He picked up and hung up immediately.
I guess that was when the accident occurred.
I guess so too, when I realized he had died.
Can I ask you a question? What took you so long in coming forward?
I never knew it was dead. Not until 2 weeks ago. When one of our mutual friends posted his picture on Facebook. Mother, send any direct message. That's it. If it gets contact me and can't tell if you molly one. But you so for me, Paul might get back to me, but the contact. So the person just got back to me yesterday with his brother's Instagram handle and country address.
Did you get through to his brother?
Yeah, I sent him a request, but he didn't accept yet.
I wouldn't know that because I'm not a social media person.
Oh, okay. Sorry, are you a relative or something?
Yes, I'm their first cousin.
Oh, okay. Do you live here?
Yeah, I do. I live here.
Please, where's his mother?
She went to the bank.
Okay, please can I have a contact so I can call and explain to her why I was not at the funeral?
My phone is not even here. I'll get you the number. Let me go and get my phone, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Just wait for me, okay?
All right, thank you very much.
All right. Doctor, what's up?
Yeah, good. Marie lady control driver, so say. Who is she?
She's my friend. She came to check up on me.
Oh, I see. Okay, mom single?
One of the bank. One of the new card one.
Oh, I almost forgot. She mentioned it this morning. You upset? What's wrong?
Nothing. I'm fine.
You're fine like this? No, you're not fine. I can see through you.
Take a seat.
You want to tell me, right? Okay. Look, shut up.
Doctor, I want to go back home.
This is your home. This is your family.
I know, but I don't belong here. I want to go back to my real family.
Okay, talk to me. Anybody to share me?
Rárá, kò sẹ́ni tó ṣẹ̀ mí.
So, what's the problem?
But Dọ̀tun, ọkùnrin yẹn, ó yẹ kó understand. You know, I need to focus on my own life. Mi ò wúlò bí báyìí mọ́.
Very true. I mean, I totally understand. I really understand. But the bitter truth is that to have a crew lay, mostly might last 1 week. She's so fond of you. Yeah. It's going to destroy her. And again, another truth. If you leave this house, Emi Farami might last 24 hours.
Don't even go there.
I'm serious. You know I love you, right? then stay. Stay back with us. I mean, if not because of me, because of the woman who adores you. Look, please, don't destroy my family. As you can see, my mom is still mourning her son.
Okay, I'll stay.
That's my girl. That's my girl. What's up now? Yeah, I'm probably don't promise me that number.
She's ready, Shiva. I'm
Well, you can say that again.
Oh, and the microwave.
Go serve daddy then.
Tell Jonah. Oga madam ko.
Oga madam look up. Buy a shot. Hey, oh, a lot of our parents and my parents and John share. Yeah, what means? Yeah, no more. Should I already to make pata? I swear down.
Momo.
Better than you, Joe. Alabosi ni ẹ.
Kò mọ̀ kí báyìí ló wà o.
Ibo mo fẹ́ sọ pé mo lọ. Ibi iṣẹ́ ni.
Ibi iṣẹ́ ni bí báyìí.
Àṣọrí bí mo ṣe wà báyìí. Table wà wájú mi. Office table wà wájú mi. Laptop rẹ̀ ni mò ń wò báyìí. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn document ló wà lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀. Ilẹ̀kùn wà short. I am doing a business.
Sir.
Rọ́mọ. Báwo ni?
Fine, sir. Ma'am, mo ti ra gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́sán pé kí n ra.
O ṣe, bá mi gbé sí kitchen. Thanks.
Ọmọkẹ́, ó lè kúnlẹ̀ f'Áfíríkà.
Ó dá lóhùn. Akínukú. Take no beg Jera.
It's okay. Lo attend to daddy. Go attend to daddy. Go attend to your daddy. Who is your daddy? Who is your daddy?
Yeah. Hey, babe, stop the tears and talk to me, right? Ha. Okay. All right. Shofek Botemi, I think you should just leave there now before that woman gets back. What are you saying? You can come to my house or better still go to your uncle's place. Ha! Hey, Dotun. Ah. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kí Dọ̀tun kó bá ẹ. Are you sure you want to remain there? Dúpẹ́. Say. Okay, Dúpẹ́. This is my candid advice. Èwo ni ti Dọ̀tun? Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kí Dọ̀tun kó bá ẹ. Do you want to hear my candid advice? You had better leave that place now. Okay, if you insist, there's no problem. Anytime you need my help, you can always call on me, right? Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Yeah, kí ló ṣe Dúpẹ́?
O lè imagine. Ó níyàwó Yẹmí wálé lẹ́nu.
Wálé? Kí ló wá ṣe?
Kò bá mọ́ mi lé. Òun nìkan ló wà nígbà tó wá.
Tí lady yẹn wá padà wá ńkọ́?
Ó ní kó béèrè nọ́mbà mọ́mì. Kò wá fún ní nọ́mbà mọ́mì. Ó fún ní nọ́mbà títí ẹ̀ gangan.
Àṣírí tí ò bò lélẹ́yìí. Ṣé Dúpẹ́ ti bàyẹ̀ pé tí rọ́bà lọ lógún ọdún ọjọ́ kan ló ti tọ́ máa bá?
Kò tí mi náà sọ fún mi. Àmọ́ sọ fẹ́ mi pé òun ò lè kúrò mẹ́. Ó ní because tóun bá kúrò inú mọ́mì máa bàjẹ́ pé inú wọn dùn bó ṣe rò òun torí pé òun wà ń bẹ̀ ni kò ń jẹ́ kán ronú Yẹmí. So what am I supposed to say?
Dear, I told you from the onset, èmi rò kí n gún.
Ọkọ mi. Ìwọ náà kàn ń sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Àbí kọ́lọ̀ má jẹ́ kójú pọ́n wá. Sórí, tójú bá ń pọ́nyàn, ìyá ṣe nǹkan tí ò fẹ́ ṣe. Wọ́n bọ̀ jẹ́ àwọn nǹkan tí mo gbé lẹ́nu.
I dreamt of your fiancé yesterday. He looked so happy. He told me to take very good care of you.
Me?
Yes.
But the weirdest thing was, it didn't refer to you as Jade.
Orúkọ wo ló wá pè mí mà?
Ṣé mo lè rántí? The name wasn't really clear. Anyway, jẹ́ ká fi yẹn sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. Dotun called yesterday. He told me he has booked a table for 4 for us at Ocean Blue Restaurant.
He came when you left for the bank.
And he told me what you both talked about.
He shouldn't have told you.
Jade, my son tells me everything. Even including the one I lost. They don't hide things from me.
Nǹkan tó jẹ́ kí n sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún ni wípé mo feel pé need privacy.
Ẹ gbà mí o. Privacy níbo? Ṣé gbogbo àti ń bá rí ẹ báyìí nínú mi ń dùn sí ẹ? Jọ̀ọ́ my dear, má fi mí sílẹ̀. I've told you before today that you are free to date anyone. Follow your heart, make your choice. I just don't want you to leave me. At least not for now, not yet. Èwo ni mo rí bí ìkejì mi.
Mo ní ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn family member tí mo lè lọ farapamọ́ sí ni mà.
My darling, you're free not to visit anybody. Be it your family, friends, relatives, siblings. I just don't want you to move out of this house, at least not now.
Okay, Mama, Mama.
Alanti, a friend of yours, also paid you a visit today.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi tipẹ́tipẹ́ ni, so ó wá ní kó wá bẹ̀ mí wò ni mà.
That's good. That's good. Almost a day calling.
Yes, ma.
Okay, jẹ́ kí ìfẹ́ lè kó lọ sùn.
Okay, ma.
Àsùnjẹ.
Ṣé gan-an?
Pleasant night.
Yes, ma. Thank you.
Ó dàárọ̀.
Ẹkún mi adáyọ̀, bàbá jẹ́ ká ẹ wá bá mi o. Wọ́n ti jẹ́ kó èmi pàfí oúnjẹ yọ̀ bàbá mi. Àwọn tó ń ṣẹ̀tẹ̀ mi àtàwọn ọ̀tá mi jọjẹ kó wá bá mi yọ̀. Èmi lọmọ lákàn mi, who stage name ṣínà ikú pa mí tìkútì. In 2008, when I was 8. January 28, Baba God, ẹ bá mi ṣí ìwé. Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ burúkú ṣẹlẹ̀, Olúwa bá mi sọ́dọ̀gún àsọtẹ́lẹ̀. Bàbá mi ti pè mí tẹ́lẹ̀ rẹ̀, èmi náà máa rí tẹ́lẹ̀ rẹ̀. Accident tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà tí mo kéré tọ́wọ́ bí mi ní ìbéèrè. Pẹ̀lú ẹ̀bùn mi, wọ́n ní mo kéré, bàbá mi jọ̀ọ́ jẹ́ kí n jèrè. Bàbá ti kú, ìyá ló kù. Ẹni tí mo gbójúlé ti fẹ́ ra kù, wọ́n ní tí ń bá máa là mo máa jàjẹ́ kù. Màmá tí mo gbójúlé náà ló ti kú, àsìkò ti bá àsìkò lọ. Ẹ bá mi pé títí ọlá ìlọ, kájọ mọ̀ ṣe remembrance lọ. Mr. Producer Sọ́jínà ti lọ. Time wait for nobody, I don't care for anybody.
Ọ̀ní, mo ti ń bọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ wá gbé ọ. Báwo ni mi ṣe fẹ́ mú ẹ náà? Báwo ni máa ṣe mọ̀ pọ́dọ̀ pop sí ló wà? Oh baby, o kàn fún mi gbódídí ṣán ni. No now. Báwo ni máa ṣe wá mọ bọ̀dé lọ́mà? Okay. Excuse me, sister. This is my car.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No offense taken. I just need to drive out.
I'm so sorry, sir.
It's okay.
Sorry.
Sorry, sis. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ní bọ̀dé lọ́mà.
Ibẹ̀ ni mo ń lọ o. Mi bá dẹ̀ ní kí n tẹ̀lé ibọ̀ mo ń dúró déyàn.
Okay, ṣé máa lè jú?
Ṣé o okay? Mọ́mì ńkọ́?
Ó wà lé busy pẹ̀lú wọn.
Okay, ṣé kí ni yẹn ni? Okay. Kí ni kò bù mí?
Àwọn náà wà pẹ̀lú wọn.
Okay, sọ́kàn máa pè ń sìn.
Okay,
kò tẹ́ ìkẹ́. Bá mi kí mọ́ mi. Ọ̀rọ̀ ó ṣe gan ni. Ẹni tí mo ń tọ́jú lọ ni.
Okay, tó bá jẹ́ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ ń lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ. Ṣé mo lè gbé yín ẹ lè ju ibẹ̀ fún mi?
Okay, that's fine then. Okay.
Thank you.
January 28th, bàbá mi. Ò mú pọ̀ wọ́n.
Ẹ ṣe gan ni sir.
Báwo ló ṣe? Ẹ̀yin gan lẹ ṣe. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ò ṣáà jìnnà síbí kù?
Rárá sir, kò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ jìnnà.
Okay.
Ẹ má bínú sir, 1 minute. Hello? Àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ó ṣe gan ni o. Ó ti kó fún mi. Àmọ́ 20k lórí fún mi o. Wo ó wá okay, jẹ́ kí n ṣáà lọ manage ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀. Àdúrà tó kàn máa bá mi gbà ni pé kí iṣẹ́ yẹ kó bọ́ sí i. Iṣẹ́ sales assistant tó wà ní Bọ̀dé lọ́ọ̀mà ni ẹ. Ìbí náà wọ́n kàn máa bọ́ sí i. Best friend uncle ló ní. Àbí owó ṣe gan ni o, God bless you. Kó àdúró tì. Àmín. Kò sí problem. Wá ṣe mí ní big favour. Okay, wọ́n ló ṣe jù. And bá mi kí brother mi o. Sọ pé ká má miss mi jù. Babe, jẹ́ kí n pè é padà. All right, dear. Ó ṣe ọ̀rẹ́.
Hello, Dotman. D, Mr. D. What's up, bro? Ṣàlàáfíà ni? Mo ti wà lọ́nà. Mo lọ sọ́dọ̀ mom. Now, as promised. But wait, please. God. Àwọn náà ń pè mí. Jẹ́ kí n sáré down call wọn náà. Hey, mom. Yeah, mo ti ń bọ̀. Mo ti gbé, a ti wà lọ́nà ọ̀dọ̀ yín. Mommy, now, mommy, ẹ má bínú, mo ti ń drive o. Ṣé pé mo ń drive mo ṣe bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. And Dọ̀tún wà lórí line. Dọ̀tún ni mo bá sọ̀rọ̀ kí n tó pick call yín. Ẹ ṣáà máa rí pé ó ń ṣe call waiting. Màá bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ láìpẹ́. Mommy, màá dọ́dọ̀ yín láìpẹ́. Mi mọye hours tó máa take me, but màá dọ́dọ̀ yín láìpẹ́, okay? Mommy, I love you. Goodbye, mommy. Goodbye. Mr. D. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni, o ní láti bá màmá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀. Tó máa ti ń fẹ́ nǹkan báyìí, wọ́n máa fẹ́ ní kólekóle kíákíá. Ṣé o lè imagine pa ọ̀nà jí mi láàárọ̀ very early like 5 a.m. in the morning. Lórí pé mú yàwó wálé mò ń bọ̀ wálé yìí. Ìgbà náà mo kúrò ní lọ́dọ̀ wọn náà. I've just been gone for like 6 months. And she's been on my neck. Wálé o, mú yàwó wálé o. Anyway, mi náà ti ń lọ ilé ṣá. Màá rí ẹ ń bẹ̀ lẹ́yìn náà ni màá dé láìpẹ́. Why? Wá. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Okay then. Ìyàwó ẹ̀ ńkọ́? Ìyàwó ẹ̀ ìjọ̀gbọ̀n ṣe nìkan fà aya Dọ̀tun. Bámi kí, I'll see you guys soon, okay?
Tí lédè yẹn bá wà lọ padà wá ńkọ́?
Ṣé fẹ́ kó lè padà wá ni?
Mi ò mọ̀. nǹkan sọ ni.
For the first time láyé mi, mo bá wọn fi silver spoon jẹun. Ìwọ náà mọ gbogbo wàhálà tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi. Ó sì tó ṣókùnkùn sẹ́ńbẹ̀. Láti kékeré, ìyá tó bí mi lọ́mọ ti kú. Bàbá tó yẹ kí n ti fẹ̀yìntì for good 4 years. Mo fi wà ní ìdígúnlẹ̀ àìsàn kó tó wá kú. Ọ̀rẹ́, why is my own destiny different from everyone else?
Àkọ́ńsọ náà ni tó bá tún gbọ́ tẹlòmíì wá rí pé kékeré ní tiẹ̀. Babe,
yes.
When there is life, there is hope.
Ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ láyé mi. Ìwọ ni Ọlọ́run fi ṣe èjìká tó jẹ́ káṣọ bọ́ lọ́rùn mi.
Bí mo ṣe máa sọ fún ẹ, Ọlọ́run nìkan ni èjìká gbogbo wa. Ṣòrí, Ọlọ́run kan máa yan ní sábàbí lásán ni. Kí Ọlọ́run jọ kó má fi wá ṣe sábàbí aburú.
Àmín.
Ṣá máa dúpẹ́. Babe, everything is going to be fine.
Thank you. I hope so.
No, I don't hope. I believe so.
Okay, I believe you.
I believe in you.
Thank you.
You're making me proud. And you will make me proud to the end. Okay. It's okay.
Hey, you. I know you. I know your secrets. You've been impersonating me. But guess what? I'll come in and I'll tell everybody about you.
Please don't. Don't. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get in right now and pack my stuff. Please don't do that.
Why do you think I should keep your secret?
Just do it for me, please. Please, Jade.
I don't even know the issues or damages you might have caused them over there.
You can ask them. I've done nothing.
Oh, I don't care.
Jade. Jade, please. Jade. Oh, sorry.
Hey you, how you doing?
I'm fine, sorry.
I didn't even remember to ask you your name the other time.
My name is Dupe.
Okay. I've been trying to reach Mom. I could not reach her. I'll be going to Ibadan very soon. Can you just please let me tell her that I came around and I'll get through to her when I'm back.
Oh, I told her you came by the other day and she said she was going to keep in touch with you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right.
Now I wish you a safe trip.
Thank you very much. To have a good day.
Thank you. Bye. Mommy.
Mommy, don't touch me. Dúpẹ́, Jade, whatever you call yourself, I don't care who you're impersonating. I don't care whichever of the names you bear. I don't know, and I don't care which one is true and which one is false. What I want you to do for me now is go upstairs, pack your rags, and get out of my house. This is that.
Mommy.
I hate you with every fiber of my being.
Joma, mo ti fẹ́ sọ fún yín ìgbà tí wọ́n pick me up in the hospital, but mi ò mọ̀ bí ṣe lè sọ fún yín ní ma. Ma. Ìyá tó bí ẹ bóyá ó rìn lọ ní o àbó lọ́yún ọkọ mi o àbókù àbí whatever tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí kò lè tó bá mọ̀ tó bá rí tó ọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ bàjọ́ wa kò lè nífẹ̀ẹ́ jù bí mo ti ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ lọ. So o believe pé nǹkan tí mo deserve òun ni ìfẹ́ ẹ̀tàn láti ìgbà tó ti wà lábẹ́ òrùlé mi. You don't believe I deserve to know the truth. You find it so difficult to summon up the courage to come to me and tell me the truth. Get out. I said get out! Pack your things and leave! Don't force me to get the police involved in this. Get out. I've been stranded in the tunnel for a very long time, Ma. Please.
I see. You've been stranded in the tunnel for a very long time.
Yes, Ma.
I see. So, I should be the one to light up your tunnel.
Please, Ma.
Go back. Pack your things and leave.
Major, Ma. Teacher. Ma.
What gives you the impression that I'm not inside the tunnel myself? Searching for someone to light it up for me. You think it's been easy for me? No. It's not. Because I lost my joy. I lost what I have labored, worked and suffered for. Please leave. Please leave this instance. Don't push me to give you the justice you truly deserve. Please leave. Do not get out! Get out. Get out!
But I told you from the onset.
Yes, you did. I know you did.
Kí ló máa ṣe nísìnyí, babe?
Kémi tẹ́ ṣe wà lọ́wọ́ mi. So máa padà lọ sọ́dọ̀ uncle mi. Ṣebí ibi tó yẹ kí n lọ tẹ́lẹ̀ náà nìyẹn tí èmi fi divert journey mi.
Aláàánú ẹ̀ lè ní bọ̀bọ́ yẹn o.
Yes. Aláàánú mi ni Yẹmí. At least ó jẹ́ kí n tọ́ ilé ọlá wò.
Babe, ilé ni ilé o. Àbí ọ̀dọ̀ wa náà ṣàlù kúkú wà tẹ́lẹ̀ kó tó dípò decide bó fẹ́ máa lọ sọ́dọ̀ uncle ẹ̀. You know you can always stay with us.
I know I've got you too. But I'm not getting too inconvenient. It's my sort of uncle me.
But if that way your heart is, I mean, why not?
Wow, she took back me. Bọ̀bọ̀ ṣe wọ́n láyà yẹn máa ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ gan.
Ṣé bọ̀bọ̀ tó dàbí mechanic yẹn?
Mo ti sọ fún un. Ìwọ náà mọ̀ pé kò kí n ṣe mechanic. Ó kàn dà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni náà.
Ṣẹ́jú ẹ̀ wá ni. Ṣebí ìdí ọ̀tọ̀ olúyẹ ló jẹ́ kó mọ ibi tí mò ń gbé. It's not his fault.
Ó máa ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́ọ̀ mi. Àtìgbà tí mo ti sọ fún pé o gbé bíbà ẹ̀ mú. Àtìgbà yẹn báyìí. Ṣé ló mọ wá fi call to stop me? Ìgbà míì ó kàn máa show up ni.
Gbàgbé tọrọ ẹ̀. Ibi ń pa mi ṣóúnjẹ wà.
Of course, kí ló fẹ́ jẹ?
Yeah. As you say, so is that time I feed you?
I'm fine, that's all. I'm fine.
Okay, if you don't want this then drink up.
You eat and enjoy your drink.
Mom, it's okay.
Ṣé mo pé nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ló jẹ́ kó mọ ẹ̀rá yìí wọlé sí mi lára? Èmi.
Mom. Mommy, you see, it's that time you just let go and, I mean, let's move on.
Báwo ni Dúpẹ́, báwo ló ṣe bá ọmọ jáde?
Mommy, nígbà tí mo ń clean ibi mo máa ti jáde, mo rí chain yìí mọ́.
Jáde kọ́ ló ní chain. Ọmọ mi ló ní. Èmi ni mo lè fún. Yẹmi. Ìgbà tó jáde dẹnu lé ni mo fún pé kó máa lọ.
Ẹ̀mí pé ẹ fún jáde ní chain yìí. Nígbà tó dẹ̀ ń lọ, kò mú dání. Oh, come on. She did something sensible here.
Ṣé ti pọ̀ rí bàbá lẹ̀ ní àbí ẹ lò ní ló ṣe máa mú dání? Fi sí no box trinket mi tàbí kò fi síwájú dressing mirror.
Okay, ma.
Then sórí yàrá yẹn tún ṣe. Change bedspread yàrá yẹn. Gbogbo nǹkan tọmọ yẹn ló ń gbà tó fi ń gbé ibi. Kó gbogbo ìdànù pátápátá. Mi ì fẹ́ rí anything tó tiẹ̀ lè mú mi rántí ẹ̀ mọ́.
All right, Mom.
Okay. In that case, since you do not want to be fed here, you feed me.
Yes, sir.
Don't speak his calls anymore and don't reply his text messages.
Yeah, but I told you wouldn't stop calling and sending text messages.
It doesn't matter. Just leave him.
As at this morning, she sent me love messages.
Ignore him. It might be a setup.
Set me up.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know Dotun. Dotun would never do that.
Please! Trust nobody, okay? Trust nobody but yourself. Look at me. When there is no sunshine, even your shadow leaves you behind. I mean, leave this family. Let them go. Ọlọ́run ti bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ó ní nǹkan kékeré tó lè fi start up life afresh. So,
Yeah, I get your point. Even Uncle mi ti bá ọ̀rẹ́ wọn sọ̀rọ̀. So wọ́n ní kí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣe ọjọ́ Monday.
Iṣẹ́ ìwò ṣe ti filling station ni?
Yes, filling station.
Imagine something. Ó pay now. At least ibẹ̀ súnmọ́ ọ̀dọ̀ ń kọ́ ẹ̀.
Iṣẹ́ tí mo rò bá mo ti bọ́nú ẹ̀. Òun ni ajá mi tí wàá padà síbi ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀. Sales assistant.
No, babe. Má rí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Ó mọ nǹkan tí máa sọ fún ẹ. Tí ẹ̀mí bá wà, ìrètí ń bẹ.
Ṣé gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀? Ó dùn mí gan-an. Tí wọ́n ní máa lose bẹ̀yẹ. Máa jiyàn.
I know how you're feeling. I understand you perfectly. Jẹ́ kí n sọ fún ẹ. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa dérú ilé yẹn tó máa gbàdúrà pé kóun kúrò ń bẹ̀. Àmọ́ ó ti wá bó ṣe wà. Jẹ́ ká gbà fọlọ́.
I'm even glad pé o ti wá síbẹ̀ bí ẹ̀mejì àbí mẹ́ta. Ìwọ náà rí gbogbo nǹkan tí mò ń sọ pa màmá yẹn. Ó rí pé mi fabricate story.
I know. But you know what? God knows best.
I've heard you. But ó ní nǹkan tó yẹ kí n sọ fún ẹ tí mi ti sọ fún ẹ.
Okay. Tell me about it.
I'm in love with Dotun.
Jẹ́ kí ìyàwó ẹ̀gbà ẹ̀ mú. Wọ́n ti lọ ẹ́ jù. Oh, that's my girl. That's just what I want to see you do. Just keep smiling.
You shouldn't have come. Why do I have to drive 4 hours all because of me? Besides, I'm suffering from aberration 2:45. And take a look at the time. It's 2:30 already.
I need to see you. You should have explained to me from day one.
I know. But I was scared.
You were scared? I thought we were close and you know how much I love you.
I'm sorry.
See, I want you. Look, the good thing about this whole drama is I can date you now.
But, you know that's not possible. Number one, you're married. And number two, your mom hates me.
Look, as for Momsi, it's your get Denny, go, she ain't got any fi adama fi ma heat at all. I can always gather 1 or 2 people to beg Momsi on your behalf.
Okay, I've heard that. But what about your wife?
She has never been an issue.
I don't know. I don't think I can face any one of them again.
Do it for me.
You know what? I'm going to be late for work.
Wait, did you say you're going to be late for that same work?
Yes.
Is she a filling station, eh? Ìyàwó tèmi máa ń bá ṣiṣẹ́ filling station over my dead body.
Tani ìyàwó ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀.
Oh, this is how you want to treat me now, right? Fine, I don't have a problem with that. But as far as I'm concerned, you're not going back to that workplace. In fact, rather I'll send you money on the phone.
Eh? Thank you, Daddy.
Okay. Still on the daddy case, I would advise you go inside now and go put off this baggy rag of yours.
Your uniform, Timino.
Yeah, this is a baggy rag. Oh, that'll be a want to newspaper. Eh?
You are so bloody rude. Babe, you can't so John. What did my mom say?
I already did that. I mean, ìwọ ló máa kù sí lọ́wọ́ ńsìn láti mọ bó ṣe máa, bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Besides, jẹ́ ká fi tí mom sí ti sẹ́gbẹ̀ kan. I've missed you.
I've missed you too. No. That's no. I need to take you your mom say first.
Okay. I like that. Kí ló ṣe?
Ọmọ oúnjẹ. Okay, kí ni o fẹ́ jẹ?
Kí ni mo fẹ́ jẹ?
Okay, why not?
Tí àlá bá gbé ní ṣánlẹ̀, kéékèèké á máa gorí ẹ̀ ni. Kó má bọ́lá jẹ́ o. Tí kì bá ṣe pé kú bọ́lá jẹ́, èèwọ̀ dúpẹ́. Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wo gan-an ni mo ṣe tó fi wò mí sùnsùn tó dẹ̀ believe pé pẹ̀lú gbogbo àdúrà nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi, ṣe ló yẹ kí wò wá kó wá impersonate ẹlòmíì kó wá máa buyọ̀ sí ojú ọgbẹ́ fún mi. Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wo ni mo ṣe ẹlẹ́dàá ẹ̀ gan-an? Dá mi lóhùn. Kí n má bínú. Listen, I mean, kí ni tó rò débẹ̀ gan? Kí ló dé tó fi gbé àdúrà burúkú irọ́ bàǹtàbàǹtà yẹn kalẹ̀ fún mi? Kí ló impersonate ẹni ẹlẹ́ni fún? Kí ni mo ṣe fún ẹ tó fi rò pé I mean ó yẹ kó pa irọ́ fún mi in the first place?
Mi ìjọ ń tọrọ lọ́nà ìbá mi dáríjì.
Ẹ ṣé ọkọ. Ti bọ̀. Èmi ò bínú mọ́, ṣe bá ń ṣe Ọlọ́run náà tó lẹ́ẹ̀ dáríjì wá. Dídé kó jókòó.
Wọ́n ti ní kó dìde wọ́n náà. Mọ́mí má bínú mọ́.
Thank you. Nǹkan tó kàn dùn mí jù náà rẹ̀ kò kọjá wípé owó tí mo fi mú dúpẹ́. Okay, agree wípé o ti gbé ìgbésẹ̀ tó wrong láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti pààrọ̀ fún mi. Mo kó tó dìgbà táṣìírí tú sí mi lọ́wọ́ yẹn. Kí ló ṣe ẹ́ tó ti summon of courage kó ti pè mí lémi nǹkan ìwọ kan kó ti ṣàlàyé fún mi.
Ọgbọ́, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ṣe? What's wrong with you? Please, I beg you in the name of God. Don't you ever send me that kind of text again. Ṣé fẹ́ pa mí ni? I had to leave everything I was doing and started driving down to this place. 4 hours. 4 good hours of driving on the road. Do you think it's easy? Oh, my God, go through. No, I even had a flat tire on my way down to this place.
I'm sorry. Má bínú.
Okay, tell me, what exactly happened?
I'm tired. I can't go on anymore.
Hey.
I'm tired. I can't go on anymore.
Honey, look. Crying is not going to help this, okay? I need you to talk to me. Why did you say that text?
Mommy, wow.
Dọ́tún mi ò like èdè tó ń pè lẹ́nu yìí. Tell me exactly what is wrong. Èmi ò fẹ́ wàhálà tó sọ yọ náà ò ní jẹ́ kí n torí wàhálà mọ́ láyé mi.
Okay, fine. Now you explain to mommy exactly what you told me.
Gbọ́dúpẹ́ kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Ẹ má pa mí ẹ̀yin ọmọ yìí. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ní alẹ́ àná ni uncle mi pè mí. Wọ́n náà wọ́n fẹ́ rí mi.
Dúpẹ́.
Sir.
Ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ kan tí ó yẹ kí n ti sọ fún ẹ. Ṣùgbọ́n kò gba ẹnu mi.
Irú ọ̀rọ̀ wo ni ẹ, sir?
Ṣé o mọ̀ pé CS tá ṣe fún ìyá ẹ ló ṣekú pa?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, sir.
Òun àti oyún tó wà nínú ẹ̀ ló kù.
Dádì mi sọ pé ìgbà tó fẹ́ bí mi ni wọ́n ṣe cesarean fún wọn láfikún.
Ṣé kí n má parọ́ tán?
Yes, sir.
Nítòótọ́ CS ló pa wọ́n. Ṣùgbọ́n gbà yẹn àbúrò ẹ̀ náà fẹ́ bí. Ìwọ kọ́.
why did that mean fẹ́ parọ́ fún mi? Pé ńgbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ bí mi ni wọ́n wá ṣe cesarean fún wọn ló fi kú.
Nígbà yẹn, to be precise, you are still a baby. If I could remember, March 25th, don't pè lọ́jọ́ bí ẹ̀yin. Ọjọ́ yẹn gangan lẹ́gbọ́n mi àti ìyàwó ẹ̀rí ẹgbẹ́ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ títí Ìbàdàn.
So, March 25 kan ni ọjọ́ birthday mi.
Adúpẹ́.
Sir.
Alright. That same date, lórí ẹgbẹ́ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ títí, exactly ní challenge or not challenge Ìbàdàn.
So, March 25th kan ni birthday mi.
At all.
Dúpẹ́. 25th of March. Ní ìrọ̀lẹ́ ní challenge Ìbàdàn. Dúpẹ́ náà rí ẹ.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ma.
Bí mo ṣe rí ẹmọ nìyẹn. Àtìgbà ẹni Yẹmí ti máa ń dára ẹ̀ lẹ́bi. Òun ló ń sọ yẹn. Oní tó wáyé pò ń palẹ̀kùn mọ́tò dẹjọ́ yẹn. Tàbí òun bá yọ kọ́kọ́rọ́ lẹ́nu ignition. Àwọn olè yẹn ò ní access láti jí ẹgbẹ́ lọ pẹ̀lú mọ́tò. All is naive. He felt bad and guilty. He did make a promise though, which he has fulfilled. My son promised to look for you and bring you back home.
You sure brought me back home, Mommy?
Mommy, ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí pé ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ni Dúpẹ́ jẹ́.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ ni Ọmọlára. Ọmọlára ni mo sọ ọmọ mi. Mo sọ pé àwọn tó ń re ni wọ́n sọ ní mo Dúpẹ́ ọlá. But tá bá ní ká wò orúkọ yẹn náà tún ṣiṣẹ́ nínú ayé mi. Torí pé mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run.
Mommy.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ ni o.
Bọ̀ ẹ dẹ̀ máa wò gbogbo ìgbà tí Dúpẹ́ tó Ọmọlára ìgbà tí ó ń narrate story yẹn fún mi, you know, something just hit me straight. I was just convinced that ọmọ yín tẹsán pé wọ́n jí gbẹ́ngbà yẹn.
So why tó fi sọ fún mi nínú car?
I wanted to surprise you.
You sure did.
Wherever you are, I believe you are resting in the bosom of your Creator. Thank you, Son, for fulfilling your promises to me. Thank you for bringing back my lost treasure. Thank you for making me witness this day. I love you, Son. I love you. Thank you.
It's okay, Mama.
Welcome home. Welcome back home. Everything is detailed in his diary. You need to read the diary. Excuse me, Jackie Mwanu, you're okay. Dotsu, my angel is back home. I'm glad. From henceforth, anytime you see me, shed tears. Anytime you see a drop of tear or drop out of my eyes, note it, they are tears of joy.
I'm glad. I'm glad.
The Dupelo alone, at least, I spent a few minutes together, even though we shouldn't got to your marriage, I still thank God.
Amla.
Yeah.
Let's thank God for his mercies. We don't need to open healed wounds. Be rest assured, your brother is resting in peace, and I'm sure wherever he is now, he is happy.
Yeah.
Come back home, my darling.
Thank you. Mom.
Yes?
I told you I was going to find her.
Oshiyoko mi. Ọmọ ọkọ ni ó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ò dẹ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ṣé wàá bínú sí mọ́mọ́ báyìí?
Wọ́n ṣì ń bínú sí ẹ o.
Why?
Torí pé o fi mí sílẹ̀ lọ ni.
Oh, sweet mom. Kì í ṣe bí èmi náà. Àkọsílẹ̀ ti dúró. Àyànmọ́ ẹ̀dá ò lè yẹ̀. Àti ṣẹbọ, àti ṣẹ́gun, bá ti wáyé párí láàrin. Ikọ̀ ni ẹlẹ́dàá fi mí ṣe sọ́dọ̀ yín. Ìránṣẹ́ lásán ni mí. Gbogbo iṣẹ́ tó dẹ̀ rán mi sí yín náà ni mo ti jẹ́. Kódà ó tún ṣe mí ní igi ọ̀rọ̀ fún yín. Mami.
Yes.
Àsìkò tó dẹ̀ di dandan kí n padà lọ.
Yẹmi, ó bá má fi mí sílẹ̀. Ó bá ro tìfẹ́ tí mo ní sí ẹ. Kó dúró jayé káyé ìbá ní Yẹmi.
No, Mom. No. I have to go. Mami.
Yes.
Ẹ bá mi sọ fún Dọ̀tun kó tọ́jú ìyàwó ẹ̀ dáadáa kó má bàjá o. Látara ẹlẹ́lẹ́dàá fi máa ṣokùnfà ẹ̀mí gígùn fún. Mom.
Yes.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ tọ́jú mo dúpẹ́ dáadáa o. For me, please.
Mo ti gbọ́ ọkọ mi.
It's so hard on me too. I never want to say goodbye. It's so hard. I don't want to say goodnight. Good night, Mom.
Good night, son.
I love you.
And I love you more. wọ́n lè ṣe oògùn. Bá a ṣe wáyé, páàrí láàrin. Ọláyẹmí ò ṣe ọkọ mi. Ò ṣeun gan-an. Kò sùn rẹ̀. Ọmọ olóhùn àpẹ̀rán. Ọmọ ọlọ́rọ̀ agogo.
Bọ̀lára ọmọ àgbẹ̀ẹ́sẹ̀ tèmi kúrò jọ.
Àná bàjẹ́ àǹtí ọmọlára lódò.
Àǹtí kọ̀ àǹtí ni ṣé ìwọ tó yẹ pé bọ̀dá ló ń pè mí tẹ́lẹ̀ tí ìbá yẹn pé mo kàn ṣàánú ẹ̀gbà tí mo ní pé kí o máa pè mí lórúkọ o.
Ó dàbí pé ti gbà yẹ kó ń gba 2 good years lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
So what? Ló bá gba 2 good years lọ́wọ́ mi kọ́. Wá ṣé ká kúkú padà sígbà tí òun jẹ́ jáde sọ́lá.
Ó gbádùn wà láì. Ṣé mọ̀ pé ìwọ gangan ló tọ ìmọ́lẹ̀ sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Ká ní pé ìgbà tí mo sì bínú tó lé mi síta, ìwọ náà wá ń bínú. Ṣé mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ yóò ní ìyànjú?
Very true. But sincerely, one thing I know about life is that kò yẹ kí n máa bínú anyhow. I mean, kí la fi ń ṣe? And you know me too well. I don't get angry anyhow.
I know. Me ever rẹ kò bínú.
That's the thing now, because ìgbà mélòó la fẹ́ lò láyé tẹ́ yẹ pé máa bára wa jà bí máa lára. I mean, it's uncalled for.
Dọ̀tun, mo ti fẹ́ béèrè ìbéèrè kan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
Hit me.
How far pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ jáde?
Jáde wo ni?
Jáde girlfriend Yemi, the real girlfriend. Má fẹ́ kí n là mọ́lẹ̀.
We don't even know her whereabouts.
No, I'm talking about Yemi's girlfriend, the real one.
We don't know her whereabouts. So.
Kí ló mean? Ó ti gbàgbé ìjọ́ tó sọ pé ó pàdé lady kan tó ń drive out. Pé wọ́n driving tó fi bèè pé ta ló jẹ́ sí mi tí mo fi parọ́ fún yín pé ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
No, ọ̀rẹ́ best friend ẹ̀ Bùnmi. Òun ló wá sọ everything fún Mọ́mísí.
Báwo ṣe máa jẹ́ best friend ló sọ fún Mọ́mísí?
Look, I kid you not. It was your friend that told Mọ́mísí the full story.
Do you know what you're talking about? Okay. Girlfriend Yemi ó sọ pé òun máa hàjẹ́ lórí Instagram.
TV, do I look like a social media person to you? Sorry, I don't think you can find one of my picture on social media. Social media yín yẹn wò tó jẹ́ pé àti oṣù àti àjẹ́ ló wà lórí ẹ̀. The only IG account tí mo ní, Yemi ló open it, and I mean, I don't even know how to operate it. They won't have any password.
Jonah, jẹ́ ká padà sórí ọ̀rọ̀ Bùnmi. Bùnmi, she's my best friend. The only best friend tí mo ní.
Ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ Bùnmi yẹn gbàgbé ń pa ẹ̀jẹ̀ rẹ̀?
Ọmọ kan, you don't know what I'm gonna do. Tó bá ti di àárọ̀ ọ̀la mo lọ ka mọ́lé. So wọ́n sọ fún mi pé Bùnmi ló sọ fún Mọ́mísí.
Ó ṣe baddest. So tó bá wà lọ lé nísìnyí, kí ló fẹ́ lọ ṣe fẹ́ lọ bàjá? So let me tell you something. Áńgẹ́lì ẹ̀ ni Bùnmi jẹ́. Because if not for her, tí o bá ṣe pé okay lọ́kàn tiẹ̀, òun fẹ́ bà tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ni. But kí ni Ọlọ́run ṣe? Ọlọ́run reverse ibi yẹn, ó sọ di oore fún ẹ. Because without her, we would have known that we're blood.
Bọ̀ mo ní láti jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé mo ti mọ̀ pé òun ló sọ. You don't get.
Okay now, káwá gbàgbé kó o sọ fún, tó bá sọ fún, kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀?
I don't know. Oh, understand. Lady, best friend me. She is, sorry, she was my best friend.
She was your best friend. Look, let me tell you something. Kò sí best friend níbí kankan. Ṣé orí mi pẹ̀lú ọ̀rẹ́ kankan rí ni? You, Mọ́mísí, ẹ ti tó fún mi as family. Look, let me tell you something. Ọ̀rẹ́ ò sí mọ́ o. Kàrí ẹni bá rìn lóko. So it's best for you to stay on your lane. Look, we, your family, we are enough for you. There's no need bothering yourself about trying to make a best friend here, make a best friend there. At the end of the day, you get to realize that you cannot choose your family, but you can choose your friend.
Okay, I will just walk away.
So I repay Ọlọ́run ti dá ẹ láre báyìí sí. Finally, there is light at the end of your tunnel.
To be honest with you, I went through the tunnel